My 3D printer produces quite a bit of vibration, even at this very slow setting. You can see this water is vibrating clearly on top of my cabinet. So what I'd like to do is build some sort of anti-vibration mount so I can have this in the cabinet and not disturb my downstairs neighbor. I'm going to drill some holes and try hanging the 3D printer from the enclosure to try to isolate it laterally. I almost did it. It's not exactly kosher, but it's good enough. So here's the result. You can see the shaking is quite a bit reduced in the water at least. It's not perfect by any means. You can see I tied the rope up and then put the 3D printer on, and then I tensioned it just by putting it over something. And I'll admit, the implementation could have some things improved. You know, like maybe having the 3D printer level. But overall, this has been hilarious for only like half an hour of work, so see ya.